All right, Monday morning, here we go. What a weekend. Congrats to the Kansas City Chiefs and Tampa Bay Buccaneers, both heading back to the Super Bowl. Big wins. Congrats, boys. Good to see. Heading into the open today, we've also got a big week in the market because it's the biggest earnings week of this reporting period. A lot of companies reporting. Could see some volatility in the stock market as a result. Heading in this morning, Dow Jones flat, S&P flat. Nasdaq, however, up over 1%, right at 1% as we look at it right now, on the back of Apple shares, which are moving nearly 2% higher. Big move, interesting move there. FX flat at the moment. Not seeing a lot of movement in any of the foreign currencies. Dollar holding relatively even over the course of the weekend. So we'll see what shakes out here in the next couple of days, particularly with that big stimulus package that we discussed last week, $1.9 trillion that are trying to get over the line. All right, folks, let's stick to those goals. Let's get after today, and I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow. Bye-bye.